This is Litre Total Parts Pro today with 2010 Ford Escape, stock number 6700. This ran from the 4th 2006 to the 1st 2012. It has a ZC 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 4-speed automatic transmission. This is a ZC 4-cylinder 2.3 litre petrol engine. Left front guard. Left front 16-inch factory Omega tyre. Left hand door mirror has slight peeling. Left front and left rear door no dents. Left rear 16-inch factory Omega tyre. Left hand tail light. Rear tailgate no dents. Right hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory Omega tyre. Right rear and right front door no dents. Right front door mirror. Right front guard. Right front 16-inch factory Omega tyre. Right front door card, right front mask switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,